Haya, sikia hii iko na verses mingi mpaka 27. He gives rain on the earth and sends water on the fields. He sets on high those who are lowly, and those who mourn are lifted to safety. This is him quoting Psalms, bwana. The Lord, he lifts me. The Lord is my strength. The Lord is my comfort. To whom shall I fear? He catch, this is him again quoting Proverbs, that he will catch the wise ones in their schemes, and the lowly will lift up. This is even him quoting what Jesus will later say in the New Testament, where he will come and distinguish between a righteous man and a wicked man. Atatufunza mambo mingi sana. Now this is the man actually quoting scriptures like dayo. Haya, sikia. He frustrates the devices of the crafty, so that their hands cannot carry out their plans. Now this is what Proverbs says. Yani, the Lord, hata the crafty ones, he catches them kwa craftiness yao. And this is normally to show that indeed he is powerful, you know? Haya. He catches the wise in their own craftiness, and the counsel of the cunning comes quickly upon them. They meet with darkness in the daytime and grope with noontime as in the night. Ooh. But he saves the needy from the sword, from the mouth of the mighty, and from their hand. So the poor have hope, and injustice shuts their mouth. Umeona? This is literally him quoting Proverbs. Like, literally. This is what, I mean, damn. Okay. Hata sikuwa nimeona hii vizuri. Next time I'll really come with the real verses of Proverbs and Psalms. I really show you how this man really quotes the scripture to show you the heaviness. You see now he's trying to understand why Job's pain is like this. Because hata tulikuja tukaona, he was so destroyed that you couldn't even recognize him. Then he looked like a monster. Yani alikuwa anakaa, yani ilikuwa mbaya. That's what I'm trying to mean. Then